This video is presented by Forex Trader Training.info. Forex advice, tips and techniques on getting more from trades. No doubt, you have worked hard for the money you have earned. Now, you have some extra that you can afford to invest. Where can you turn? Some have found success in Forex trading. Read the article following to see what others have to say about it. Take advantage of changes in oil prices to gain profit on Forex. Many economies are greatly affected by rising costs of oil and their exchange rates are tied to these changes. Luckily, oil typically changes slowly. If it is falling, it will usually continue to fall for months at a time. Follow the cycle of oil prices to earn easy money. The wise trader has a plan in place before he or she gets into the Forex market. Codifying expectations can help the trader determine whether or not they are getting what they want out of the Forex market. With a preset goal, a well-prepared trader can better determine if their efforts on Forex are effective or not. Trend lines in Forex trading are simple lines indicating price pivot points, or the indicators of when the price was resisted or supported. Support and resistance are also simple things to learn, though they may sound hard. Do your research on these 3 items first. Learning about and understanding trend lines will greatly improve your chances on the Forex market. Analyze and carefully study your personal financial goals prior to engaging in Forex trading. Making certain your risk tolerance and capital allocation are neither excessive nor lacking will save you from taking the bigger financial risk than you can afford should you lose your investment. To do well in Forex trading, you need to study the fundamental methods of market analysis. It is impossible to do well in Forex trading if you do not have a solid understanding of the principles involved in the process. Understanding market analysis will allow you to make educated and profitable decisions. Don't ever trade money in the Forex markets that you need to meet your basic financial needs every month. If you are working on a deadline to pay your mortgage or your utilities bills, you will trade emotionally, not rationally. Forex trading shouldn't be done as your only source of income, and should only be done with money you can afford to lose. The biggest mistake you can make in Forex trading is not to use stop losses. Short-term losses will almost always turn into long-term losses. A stop-loss plan prevents a small loss from becoming a big one, by selling at an acceptable loss threshold that you decided ahead of time. To protect yourself from shortfall, have an exit strategy in mind before you make an investment. An easy way to do this is to place a stop-loss order every time you make a take-profit order. If your take-profit order works out, you can reap its benefits, but if something goes wrong, you have your stop-loss order to fall back on. Hopefully, the above article has given you some insight on what others have found important to know about Forex trading. Apply the information that best suits your own circumstances. Make wise decisions. No doubt, you have worked hard for the money you now want to invest. This video is presented by Forex Trader Training.info.